Honestly, I used to
got
live
out.
there, and
I
the
went
same
to
people
Ridge to
lived
get
there, and I still had the key, but I guess the people moved out
my
of the second
depression
apartment,
help, and then I
the
got
key still
out
worked, and
and
that's
I
how
went
I
inside the
entered that
church
place.
Did you have permission to be there?
without
No.
permission and without it being open to get hope for myself to pray.
Mhm.
I went to that church as a child, so I just wanted to go back home to the congregation.
What in heaven's name are you talking about?
All right, who is here on Maria Herrara?
That's me, Judge, and she's in custody.
All right, thank you, Mr. Jackson, for your patience.
Oh, thank you, Judge.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 000146, State versus Maria Herrara. Can I have parties announced?
Jason Garrett for the state, Your Honor.
And Brandon Jackson for the defense.
And are you Ms. Herrara?
Yes, ma'am.
Any objection to defense counsel appearing by Zoom, State?
No, Your Honor.
Do you have any objection to your attorney appearing by Zoom?
No, ma'am.
All right. Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Maria Herrara who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2025 CR 000146 for the offense of burglary of a habitation on March 17, 2000?
You're beautiful. You're beautiful.
To a place that was not yours, a residence that's not your residence.
Honestly, I used to live there, and I thought the same people lived there, and I still had the key, but I guess the people moved out of the second apartment, and the key still worked, and that's how I entered that place.
Did you have permission to be there?
No, ma'am.
Do you have employment?
I did it one time.
Did you have employment before you were arrested?
Yes, I work at my uncle's boot shop, and I work for my cousin. I'm just answering phones and checking in the shoes and checking them out.
All right. Do you have any children?
I do. I have 2 children.
What are their ages?
I have a 7-year-old and a soon-to-be 13-year-old.
And who do they live with?
With the grandparents right now since I'm incarcerated.
Is Child Protective Services in your life?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's your CPS attorney?
That I don't know right now. I was looking for one to hire on my own.
Okay. So are your children with your grandparents because of this case?
No, they've been for a prior case that I had already been to prison for.
And are there any drugs issues with you?
There was, but I've been rehabilitated.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. 5 years deferred adjudication, $1,000 fine probated. There's to be no contact with Eduardo.
End of flashback.
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 1 on or about the 29th day of April 2025 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Maria Herrara, committed the offense of criminal trespass in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violated condition.
Any objections?
No objections, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Let's see.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. It is to deny the motion to adjudicate, continue on or deferred with followed by intensive outpatient treatment, sober support, also monthly UAs until the court feels fit to discontinue, and then also have a MIC or MIC evaluation and follow those recommendations. Additionally, Judge, a no contact order with the Church of Holy Spirit located at 1230 Division Road, San Antonio, Texas, and zip code is 225. And also if any restitution to Church of the Holy Spirit. And the state will take in consideration cause number 2025 CC 006958. And that is it, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Probation,
Yes, sir.
is that your recommendation?
That's what's written on the.
All right. You've been on probation since March. Can you raise your right hand for me, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
My name is Maria Leticia Herrera.
All right, so what have you done since you've been on probation?
I got out. I went to Lower Ridge to get my depression help, and then I got out and I went inside the church without permission and without it being open to get hope for myself to pray. I went to that church as a child.
Well, isn't that special?
So I just wanted to go back home to the congregation.
Why do they think there's restitution that may be owed? What happened
Because,
while you're in the church?
I broke a window while I was there.
If you're going for help, why are you breaking windows at a church?
Because normally they had the doors unlocked for us to go in, but they didn't have it unlocked. And I
So your
really needed
response was to break a window?
Yes, ma'am. And I know that wasn't right, which I do know I gotta pay for the window.
All right, so you're on probation. Let me just tell you what my issue is. You're on probation for a burglary of a habitation, which means you entered a residence without someone's consent. And now you've entered a church without consent. Usually when doors are locked at the church, that means that it's closed. And instead you broke a window. So after you broke a window, then what did you do?
I stayed and waited for someone to come help me.
All right. So probation, has she done anything on probation other than commit a new offense?
The top evaluation was done in custody, Judge. Other than that, no, ma'am.
And what was the TAP evaluation recommending?
Outpatient treatment on UA and sober support meeting.
I can tell you right now, I'm not going to follow probation's recommendation of intensive outpatient treatment. You need intensive inpatient treatment.
Judge,
Yes.
there was a recommendation that the TAP be revised following the new number 1 for status.
All right. So it's going to be inpatient treatment. So here are your choices. And these are your only 2 choices. There's not a third choice. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
So 1, you're going to stay in custody until you're transferred to a residential facility, or maybe felony drug court will accept you.
Yeah.
Right? But either way, you're going to remain in custody. So you have that, or I will revoke you and sentence you to 5 years. Those are your 2 choices. 5 years or inpatient treatment.
Can I do Lower Ridge?
No.
I'll do inpatient treatment.
All right. So you're going to remain in custody until you're transferred to the inpatient facility. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So this is what the court is going to do. Deny the motion, alter and amend conditions to include the following. No contact with the Church of Holy Spirit at 1230 Division Road, 78225. Restitution, if any, to Church of the Holy Spirit. Taking consideration 2025 CC 00695.
Okay.
And she's to remain in custody until transfer to SADF or felony drug court.
No, Judge.
Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
Oh, man.
All right. All right, good luck to you, okay? You're welcome.